Hi everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make this really adorable Valentine's Day themed garland. This is a very simple craft and requires only a few materials. It makes a super cute decoration in time for Valentine's Day. So without further ado, let's get started. The materials you'll need for this craft include a few pieces of white paper and, if available, red or pink paper. If you don't have this, you can also use a red or pink coloring tool. You'll also need a pencil, a pair of scissors, clothespins, glue, and string. Step 1. On your white sheet of paper, draw out a few pentagon or house shapes. Step 2. Cut out the pentagons. Here's a quick tip. I cut out my first pentagon and then used that to trace all of my other ones. This means that they will all be the same size and shape. After tracing and cutting out all of my pentagons, I ended up with 6. Step 3. Draw your hearts on the pink and red paper. Another trick I did to do this is start by folding the paper in half, like so. Then I went ahead with my pencil and drew half of a heart. I ended up drawing 3 pink hearts and 3 red hearts. Step 4. Cut out the hearts. Since we drew our half hearts on a folded piece of paper, once we cut it out and unfold it, it'll give us a nice and symmetrical heart. Step 5. Fold and glue down the pentagons. Step 6. Glue the hearts onto the envelope. Then just repeat these 2 steps for the rest of your envelopes until you're all done. Step 7. Cut a piece of string. Make sure it is long enough to fit all of your love letters on. Step 8. Use your clothespins to attach the envelopes onto the string. For my garland, I alternated between red and pink hearts. Once your love letters are attached, you are all finished with your Valentine's Day garland. You can tape the garland up on a wall or mantle and even add string lights to it, as I have. Alright, so I hope you had fun making today's craft, this really adorable love letter garland. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. Bye!